Hello everybody, my name is Suraj. Today I am going to show you OWASP top 10 second number vulnerability, that is broken authentication. Okay, first of all, understand what is broken authentication. Broken authentication is the vulnerability that occurs when an authentication mechanism is not properly implemented on the website. When there is no proper implementation of the authentication, that can be so vulnerable for any website. So this allow attacker to guess password, perform brute force attack, use automated tools to try multiple credential. This second line and third line is similar to each other. Password guessing is different, so we can guess to password or perform the brute force attack by any, it is by Hydra, by any zone the reports, any tools as you can, uh, trying the multiple credential, find the exact password and the username, bypass the authentication control. So it is the most vulnerable. So in this project we manage the code without rate limiting, account lockout, captcha protection, and brute force detection. So this is my GitHub account. You can access or you can see my code of this OWASP top 10 API. Okay, here is the code. Oh, sorry. Okay, here is the code. So the code first URL indicates the post. Use the post method. The first method is post, which is used to create a account, and the second, here look at here, create a new user using this API, sign up using the post method, and the second is using the get method to access the secure endpoints of the per or individual user. So now I'm going to execute this. So here is the URL I get. Now I already set up this using the new user. Okay, so we can create a new user by using this URL, and the method is post. So we already mentioned in the code here. Look at the code. Sign up, create the new user. Okay, API sign up. Here is the okay, sorry, API sign up, and the URL is given. So I'm using the post method in a Postman. You need to go here X. Okay, sorry for the background disturbance. So I'm going to now creating a new user like Suraj1 and Suraj5. Okay, Suraj1 also. I'm sending a request. Okay, now the user is created. Okay, so for the post request, sending any credential, username or password in the Postman, we need to go in here XW formal URL encoded, and you need to write the field, input field, that is this and this. I had created this username Suraj1 and Suraj password with the Suraj1 again. So for the normal request, I am going to access my endpoint, secure endpoint, I mean profile. I am going to do the get request authorization with the basic auth here using the credentials Suraj1 and Suraj password Suraj1, which I created here. User created successfully. So now first we need to look the code. Here is the code to access the secure endpoint. So with the password and username, I am going to sending a request. Yes, you have accessed the secure endpoint. The message response is here. With the message, you have accessed the secure endpoints. Okay, now is the main topic, broken authentication. So now I'm going to show you the broken authentication. So I have created already here. Okay, this URL and this URL with the same method is same. Now I'm going to use a basic auth with the username like this. I'm going to run runner in this Postman, which perform the brute force, simple brute force. So for the understanding, I am using the collection runner of the Postman. So I am going to okay, authorization here, username and the username. Now it need a CSV file where the collection of the username and the password. So I already created here username, multiple user and a password. So now I have created at last Suraj1 username and Suraj1 password. So I'm going to save it, and now I'm going to upload here. Click, right click, click run, and now I'm going for this request only, broken authentication. Here mentioned broken authentication. I want to untick this 3, sorry, this 5, 3, 3. Look at here 3, this collection. Okay, now I'm going to select from computer, that is users. Here mention the username and the password up to last year Suraj1 use locally. Okay, now I'm going to run it. It perform the simple brute force with the same given username and a password. Here mentioned given username and password. So now I'm going to run it. Here we get, okay, what we get here. So other are unauthorized. This 1, 2, 1 and 2 are authorized. We get successful login by brute force. Oh, 3, there is 3 successful. Oh, this is the vulnerability we found. We can perform the brute force. We can perform the brute force here. Okay, now I'm going to look this request. Look at this request. Okay, sorry. Look at this request here with the header API SQL and the response we get here. Application clothes 200 response. Here we get response. The you have access the SQL endpoint and the request with okay. Okay, with the user Suraj and password Suraj1. Yes, again we get here Suraj1. Okay, another request we get here with a successful response. Summary, we can see the summary. Okay, sorry, view the results here. There are total 3 successful. Okay, this is the vulnerability we found. OWASP top 10 second number vulnerabilities. Oh, that's much. Thank you everybody. Enjoy it, practice it, and better luck. Best of luck all of you.